Quick question. What had you done before you went to bed last night? Please pause the video and answer my question. Option A, I had played basketball. Option B, I had watched TV. And option C, I had washing the dishes. Which one is the correct answer to my question? Pause the video and answer it. So the correct answer is I had watched TV before I went to bed last night, which shows us two actions. So one action happened before the other action. And what was the action happened before the other action? It was the one said with had. Like, I had watched TV. Watching TV happened before going to bed. I had watched TV before I went to bed. So I said the one that happened before using had and the other one using simple past. If you haven't watched the simple past grammar video, you can just watch it right here. So when should I use this grammar? I have to use it when one action happened before the other action in the past. For example, she had left before he arrived. Action 1 is she had left. Excellent. And action 2, he arrived. Perfect. Very good. Mini practice. I blank finished dinner before the guests arrived. So what is the answer here? I had finished dinner before the guests arrived. Once more, let's take a look at the structure. I had finished dinner. Let's look at the structure. I had finished dinner. So I is the subject. Then we have had and then PP. I had finished. That's past perfect. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence using past perfect and comment it down below. You can answer this question. What had you done before you went to bed last night? Answer it and comment it down below. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Take care and have fun.